How to dry a sombrero, step by step. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, so for the first step making our sombrero, we're going to begin by making one long C-like shape that will be sideways. In the center, on top, we're going to add in an upside down U. Next, inside of that shape, let's add two parallel lines. We'll come back later to add detail. Fantastic! Now we have to make the bottom part of our sombrero. We're going to start from the left hand side of the shape that we just made, and we're going to make it connect all the way over to the right hand side. Be sure to stick around till the very end so that we can count our drawing together. Also, if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a thumbs up so that other people can also see the video. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well on How to Draw Hub crew. Now let's go ahead and add in a little bit of detail to the bottom of our sombrero. You can get as creative as you would like. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of detail to the top of our sombrero. Be sure to stick around so that we can count our sombrero together. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you enjoy drawing tutorials just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting that subscribe button so that I can keep you updated on the newest videos every single day. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now let's go ahead and count our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.